We are pleased to show you the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.